Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Amazon Prime Video application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store and also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are, go to the search box at the top and type in Amazon Prime Video. Once you come across this application, launch it open and tap on the install button in order to begin downloading Amazon Prime Video on your Android phone, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon the internet that you are connected with. Wait for a couple of minutes and then you will be able to download and install Amazon Prime Video and get started with it. So that's how easily you can download Amazon Prime application on Android phone in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.